I just realized something I did from doing that fix in the last video is before I brought out separately this determined state function, I had the play footsteps as the state machine and playing the footsteps. And I also had a timer incrementing for the audio timers. Now it's doing exactly the same job where it is in determined state, but it doesn't really make sense. So I'm going to cut that out of determined state because that's all we're doing in determined state. Checking if we're walking or running. When we're playing audio, this is where we'll deal with all our audio stuff. Okay, so just to keep everything that works with each other together. That makes a little bit more sense. Also, I said I would expand on the different variables on the first-person controller character motor. Okay, so when we're using this script, currently we're modifying this max forward speed. So if I hit play, it's automatically jumped to 8 because that's what I've set in my script. Now if I hit sprint, it jumps to 20. You see sideways speed, it's only going for 2 seconds. Let's fix that. Okay, back to 10 seconds. Okay, so the example was, yeah, even though running sideways, not really running sideways. So what we're going to do, we have these variables here for walk speed and run speed. Okay, so we have walk speed, we have walk backwards speed, walk sideways speed. Create those variables too. So just we now have walk speed, which we had. Now we have walk backward speed, and we have walk sideways speed. Now we have the run speed, run backward speed, run sideways speed. I'm just going to drop them down. Okay. 14 backwards and yeah, 16 sideways. 8. Let's just say 7. Or even 6 for backwards. Alright, so where are we applying the walk speed? Let's find that. So now, we need to create some other local variables. Backward speed. Walk backwards. Oh, if I use yes. Backwards. Sideways speed equals walk sideways speed. And we're going to have to do the same thing in here for the run speed. Okay, so set speed. We have variable speed, backward speed, sideways speed. Backward speed is set to walk backwards speed. Sideways speed is set to walk sideways speed. Now we're grounded and running. Speed is now run speed. Backwards speed is now run backwards speed. Sideways speed is now run sideways speed. So now we apply these to the character motor. So max forward, we've got max backwards, and max sideways. And we'll check those 3 variable names. Well, let's fix these up too, they're not all speed, are they? Backward speed is max backward speed, and the max sideways speed is sideways speed. So that should all be set up now. Let's look at those variable names. Max sideways speed, max backwards speed. Oh, they've got it forward, sideways, backwards. Let's just save the scene. I think I changed that runtime, didn't I? Okay, so now when I'm sprinting, the sideways and backwards speed should also increase rather than stay at 6. 876, I'm sprinting, 1614. Walking, 876. Okay, so there's it. Just some more control over the different speed values of the character motor on your first-person controller. Like if you were sprinting but running sideways, looked slow or odd, this is how you change it, by adding all this stuff to asset speed. Okay.